Okay, I got my package in from Robert from Bluegrass Bushcraft. He also does GPA tools for the trade. He makes that cool infinity match and the lantern vise. You can go on his YouTube or I think Facebook, and you can see that. But he sent me a package. I got this new lantern. It's a 227, and he sent me a globe for it because I needed one. He's just a super guy with a big old huge heart. I love Robert. Everybody knows him, does too. But I got all kind of cool stuff. Ain't sure what this is. I'll have to look and see. But I peeked in here the other day to make sure because he wraps it up good. He put it inside of a coffee can. Look at this thing. And he put me some mantles in there. And I think they're for this lantern. But look at this. I can't wait to get a 200A, but then this one has a round globe, just like the 200A. So we're gonna put this on there, and then maybe I can show you a little bit more. But thank you so much, Robert. He is an awesome guy. He's Bluegrass Bushcraft and GPA Tools for the Trade. Thank you, Robert. Y'all give him a look on Facebook and on Infinity Match going. My Infinity Match. Whoa, easy now. Is that supposed to do that, Robert? Whoa, that thing's bright. That thing's gonna mess my globe up, flaming up like that. You're gonna have to tell me what's wrong. Anyway, this thing is awesome. And Robert, thank you for the mantles. I can't look at it because it'll blind me. It's a one mantle lantern. It's a 237. Robert sent me this globe and all these mantles. He is awesome. That thing was hanging way down when I put it on. I'm gonna tell the truth. I put one on just a minute ago and it blew the bottom out of it. So this is the second mantle. Man. Thank you, Robert. Bluegrass Bushcraft. Make sure I say that. GPA Tools for the Trade. The guy with a big, huge heart. And I'm glad I get to call him my friend. This is a beautiful lantern. And I haven't done anything to it besides just bought it from the guy and put a mantle on it. And then it blew the bottom out of the first. I don't know why it's flaming up like that. Maybe you can, I know you'll message me and tell me what to do. But it's burning good. Thank you, Robert. Keep God first, Creek Camper out.